So last time we used substitute method. So for eliminating method, there's another step you need to follow. So first of all, you need to know all this step. What it means, eliminating. So you have to cancel or eliminate it. So to use this eliminating method, you need some step to follow. First step, you have to multiply it. Multiply or divide both the equation. The question will be, there will be two equations given. Equation and step two, later on I'll solve it with one example. Okay, so now you need to, what you need to know is the step. So step three, you screenshot this one, or you can note it down. I think it will be better if you screenshot it. So step four, example, let's say 1. So for today, let's try to solve at least 2 examples so that you know it well. You have to make it this one equal. Let's say this is 1 is 3, 1 is 7, right? To make it these two equal, number 1 should be multiplied by 7, equation 1. And number 2, there is 7, so you need to multiply by 3. 7 into 3, 3 into 7. So that give us 3, 7, 7, 3, 21, 21. Now these two are equal, right? So we have to make it either this one or this. X or Y. X pa yung nasip tu thiyo nakibasa ding ay lo le Y pa yung nakibasa kha jo jo na bol jong le ithei. So let's start solving it. Solution. So first thing what we need to do is let's try to make this one into equation 1 and 2. Solution given. So now let's try to solve it with this one with X variable. Okay, multiplying 1 is this one, so you have to multiply all this equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by this equation by 3, and we get, if you multiply this one by multiply volume and the other one. So later on when you understand it, you can omit this step. 7 3 is 21x plus 7 2 is 14y, 7 3 21, and the second equation is multiplied by 3. 3 7 is 21x minus 3 5 15y and equal to 3 11 is 33. So since x to x variable even at 21, there's 21, right? So now subtract it. Last number value 42 pot long. If you minus it, then you can cancel it, right? Minus common for every of this equation 2. Then this become minus, and minus minus, this become plus, minus plus minus. So since this is plus minus and the value is equal, these two can be cancelled. These two can be eliminated now. So since this become plus, plus and plus is plus, right? And 14 plus 15 is 29. Why? Sila nga si equation ni 13 hindi siya. This will be 13. Then this one will be, let's say 3. If this is 13, 7, 3, 21, 2 in hand, 7, 1, 7, 8, 9. It will be 91. So since this is plus minus, greater sign is 91 is greater. So it will be plus. If you minus it, 91 minus 33, you'll get 58. Now let's try to solve this value. So we eliminated one of the variable. Now only one variable is left, right? So now we have to find the value. So from here, let's just solve it. Y is equal to 58 by, this one will be in division form, 29. Then 29, how much is 58? Let me just divide for your convenience. 58 is divided by 29. Then 2, 2, 9, 18, 1 in hand, 2, 2, 4, 5. Then 2. Y is equal to 2. Okay, you screenshot this one, and we'll continue for finding x value. From question 1, substitute the value of y चाहे y खेला है to ही input value तासु मतलब तो आहे there is it applies to 3x plus 2. Now instead of y we have to put this value. So value of y खेला है 2 कोई y into 2 is equal to 13. Then this implies to 3x plus 2 is 4 equal to 13. Now again solving this one. 3x 13 by transposition. This one will become minus, right? 4. Then 3x is equal to 13 minus 4, we will get 9. Then x is equal to 9 by 3. Then when we divide 9 by 3, 3 is 9. So we get the answer 3. Or you can just cancel it, 3 is 9. So x value is 3. So hence the solution is x is equal to, if you move them to x is 3 and y to, if you move them, y is equal to 2. So the first step what you need to do is that to apply equation 1 and 2 on the seed audience. So ang second step na lading mo sa ipihiditan. Variable kan hinakibasa adi ulo. This x hilole either x or y variable. So tani nakibasa agutay din. So ay nakibasa na din watso. Okay, let's take y. Okay then. Y to y to ay value. y te ni ki ba sa na dinga hi chalanga hi 1 bu chalanga 3 chana. Then this part you don't need to multiply it, right? Chalanga pa hi 1 ma anuya pa hi 3 achunga pa hi 3 na bol wa hi le 3 3 hung do talong chim ki bang talong 1 into 3 3 to multiply ki bol da yong le 3 hung do hung ki bang talong na. So now multiplying equation 1 by 3, we get multiply ball leuchen multiply na ball wai le chumlan ga ji doing x plus hi not necessarily, you don't need to write it. Chia chu chipa hi multiply by 3, then pimu tawam to achon 3x 3 into x is 3x, right? Plus 3 into y is 3y, is equal to 3 into 3 is 9. And equation number 2 too, you can just write it down. 7x minus 3y is equal to 41. Let's just underline it. Sahin y to y ki bang ta chnen, y variable. There is 3 and 3. I'll cut him plus, cut him minus. So now we don't need to do anything. From here, solving this equation nati yung thing tachin. 3y to 3y. 1 is plus, 1 is minus, so we can eliminate it already. Still like a remainder what to be piham. 7x. I love the plus in koyute. Plus nothing changed. So I hint 10 in a ball 7 plus 3, 10x. Since this is already eliminated, there's nothing left. And here 5, 41 plus 9 is 50. Now you can find the value of x easily from either question 1 or 2. From question 1 pound 2 pound. Let's say 1. From question 1, there is so if you move x moves on x is equal to 5, and we need to solve it. Then question 1 to then x kela here a value 5 coin x is 5 plus y is equal to 3. This implies to y value holds your y then 3 is still there, so 3 transposition eyeball wile if we do it by transposition 5, this is positive, right? Then if we transfer it to after equal to, this become minus, right? Minus 5, and implies to y is equal to 5 minus 3, 2, and greater sign horizontally in minus. So hence the solution is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Now theta 1 thoughts? assignment completed. Okay, you can screenshot it now. This continue, okay, this one. Okay, now for your assignment, see, well, in case of Roman number 3, there's a fraction variable, right? Now, there is a fraction. So how will you solve this one? First thing, you need to do LCM and find it this way. You have to make it into this way first. After that, you can solve it easily. Or do I need to do this one? Let me just solve this one. This equation 2, you will do it. Let's say this is x2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. First, do LCM. 2, 3 is 6. Then 2, 3 is 6, 3x plus 3, 2 is 6, 2, 2 is 4y is equal to minus 1. Then cross multiplication, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. So it is in the form of this way, right? So you need to make these two this way. After that, you can solve it. It will be the same. So do this assignment and submit it on time, okay? And every one of you, if you cannot understand it, try to watch this video again and solve it this one. Okay.